In this Illustrator tutorial, I'll show you how to increase the canvas size, not just the artboard, to a large format canvas in Adobe Illustrator. If you have run out of workspace and hit the edge of the canvas, this is how you can increase it beyond the standard limit, even up to 100x larger. Now keep in mind, this only works when you are creating a new document, but don't worry, I'll show you how to copy over all your layers from an existing file into this new larger canvas. Let's jump in. First of all, Illustrator has a default canvas limit. If you create a new document, you will see that a typical maximum canvas size is about 16,000 by 16,000 pixels, which is around 225 inches or over 570 centimeters. So when you create a document at that size, the artboard stretches nearly edge to edge because that's the maximum space allowed in a standard canvas. But if you try to enter a size larger than that, like 20,000 by 20,000 pixels, Illustrator will show a warning icon. Hover over it and you'll see a message saying new artboards will be created on a large size canvas. That's exactly what we want. This triggers Illustrator's large canvas mode. There are a few limitations in this mode. You can click learn mode to see them, but in most cases you can work just fine. Now go ahead and click create. Once the new files open, take a look at the canvas. It's huge. Instead of stopping at 16,000 pixels, the canvas now reaches up to 92,000 pixels or more in each direction, over 2200 inches. This is Illustrator's large format canvas. Now what if you want to bring in your artwork from an old file? Here's how to do it without losing your layer structure. Open your Illustrator document. In the layers panels, click the target icon on the first layer, then hold shift and click the last layer to select everything across all layers. Now go to edit, then click on copy or press Ctrl C or Command C on Mac. Now switch over to your new large canvas document. This part is important. In the layers panel, click on the three lines which will be on the top right. Make sure paste remembers layers is checked. Now press Ctrl V or Command V to paste. Your artwork will be pasted in with all layers preserved exactly how they were. If you don't enable paste remembers layers, everything will be dumped into a single layer which you don't want. And that's it, you now have a larger canvas and your layers are intact. This is the best way to expand your workspace in Adobe Illustrator without hitting the canvas limit. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.